Hey, good morning, 2A. Welcome back once more to Core Math. Today we'll be going through Module 4, Lesson 12 with yours truly, Mr. Andrews, working from home today. And today happens to be April 22nd, 2020, which is Earth Day, a day designed to celebrate and make people aware of everything we need to do to make sure that our planet stays healthy and habitable for everyone here and for generations to come. So why don't we get a bit more in touch with nature? Ooh, that's much nicer. Don't you feel calm already? Smell that fresh air. Let's get right into today's lesson. Our learning target for today and for this week has been to understand that great mathematicians use our understanding of place value to add and subtract using a strategy that makes sense to us. So, let's review. What are some strategies that can work for us? I'll give you some think time. All right, so there are many strategies that we've gone over. Mental math, like we practiced yesterday, flat sticks and dots, expanded notation, number lines. All of those are strategies that we can be using to help us solve. Oh wait, can you hear? Wow, we're so focused on the lesson that a baby deer has come into our video. Oh my goodness. Let's keep up that focus for the rest of our video today, guys. Bye, baby deer. Bye. Beautiful. So, today let's practice using expanded notation. So, our first problem today, what we see here is 20 minus 12 equals blank. So, first off, how can we rewrite these numbers using expanded notation? Go ahead, tell me. Exactly, right? So 20 broken up into 20 plus 0, and we know that 12 can be broken up into 10 plus 2. All right, so let's go ahead and solve. Now, when we're solving with expanded notation, which place value do we want to start with? Exactly, we always want to start in the ones place, or the lowest place value. So, all right, so 0 minus 2. Well, I have 0 or something. Can I take away 2? So what do I have to do? Yeah, we got to regroup it. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Got my handy pen. So just like we've practiced with flat sticks and dots, I'm going to cross out that 20. I'm going to borrow 10 from that 20. And take away 10, and then I can just add that 10 to the ones place. So now I have 10 plus 10 and 10 plus 2. So let's see if that works now to subtract. So 10 minus 2. Yeah, right? Put 10 in our head, take away 2. 9, 8. So I know that 10 minus 2 is 8. Add in that plus sign. All right, and then we're just left with 10 minus 10. Yeah, any number minus itself is always going to be 0. So now I know that 20 minus 12 is 8. All right, let's do one more just for practice, right? So, okay, we have, that looks a bit trickier, 34 minus 25. So, using expanded notation, how can we write out these two numbers in expanded form? Yeah, exactly. 34 becomes 30 plus 4. 25 becomes 20 plus 5. All right, so let's subtract. All right, so again, what place value do we start with? Yes. All right, come on. You guys are rocking it out. Give me a fist bump. Boom. Yeah, we always start in the ones place, the lowest place value. Okay, so 4 minus 5. 4. I got 4. Okay, can't take away 5 from 4. That's too much. So what do I have to do? Yo, you guys are on fire today. We've got to regroup again. Excellent. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So, again, taking my pen out, crossing out the 30. I'm going to borrow 10 from that 30, leaving just 20 behind. Sorry, 30. Now I can add that 10 over into the ones place. So now I have 20 plus 14. All right, so irregular, and 20 plus 5. So now, let's see, 14 minus 5. Well, I know that 15 minus 5 would be 10. So 1 less than 14. So 1 less is 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9. See how I use my friendly benchmark numbers there? My mental math to help me? Don't forget to always include that plus sign. And then lastly, 20 minus 20 is 0. So 34 minus 25 equals 9. All right. Yo, we are doing really, really well today. So let's recap. Criteria for success today, guys, as you get into your work on assessments. Again, pick a strategy that makes sense and show your work. Mental math, flat sticks and dots, expanded notation, underline. You saw just in my example, I was using expanded notation, but I was also using my mental math strategies in there as well. Regroup when needed, starting always in the ones place. We know that we can't take away a bigger number from a smaller number, so we have to regroup when we're subtracting those kinds of numbers. And then lastly, submit your work in standard form in the answer box. Oh, look at that. It must be springtime. A friendly American robin has landed on my head. Oh, what a beautiful song they sing. Gosh, it really makes me appreciate nature and the world around us. So, thanks so much for watching today. I will see you guys, you'll see me tomorrow. And if you want to learn more about Earth Day, you can check out www.earthday.org to learn more about the history of the holiday and learn about how you, yes, a second grader, how you can help in the cause to help preserve and keep our planet healthy. See you tomorrow.